forgot my keys at home. Is this sentence correct? Think about it. If you say, I forgot my keys at home, you mean that you did not remember to take your keys with you. But if you know that your keys are at home, there is a more natural way to say it. I left my keys at home. So, what is the difference between forget and leave? Let's make it easy. Use leave when you know where something is, but you did not take it with you. For example, I left my keys at home. This means I know where my keys are. They are at home. I left my phone in the car. I know where my phone is. It is in the car. I left my wallet at the office. I know where my wallet is. It is at the office. I left my bag on the bus. I know where I left my bag. So remember, leave means you know where it is. Now, let's look at forget. Use forget when you did not remember to take, bring, or do something. For example, I forgot my keys. This means I did not remember to bring my keys. I forgot my phone. I forgot my wallet. I forgot my passport. I forgot to bring my keys. I forgot to take my umbrella. The important idea is that you did not remember. Now, here is the big difference. I forgot my keys. You are focusing on the fact that you did not remember to take them. I left my keys at home. You are focusing on where your keys are. They are at home. Here is an easy rule to remember. Forget means you did not remember. Leave means you know where it is. But there is an important detail. You can actually hear people say, I forgot my keys at home. It is not necessarily grammatically impossible, but it can sound less natural or be ambiguous depending on the context. If you mean, I did not take my keys with me and I know they are at home, the clearest and most natural sentence is, I left my keys at home. If you mean, I did not remember to bring my keys, you can say, I forgot my keys. Or, even more clearly, I forgot to bring my keys. Now, imagine this situation. You are at work. Your friend asks, where are your keys? You know exactly where they are. You answer, I left them at home, because you know their location. Now imagine your friend asks, why can't you open the door? You do not have your keys and you are not sure where you put them. You can say, I forgot my keys, because the focus is on the fact that you did not remember them. There is another important difference. We can use forget with a noun. I forgot my keys. I forgot my phone. I forgot my wallet. We can also use forget with to and a verb. I forgot to call him. I forgot to bring my book. I forgot to lock the door. And we can use leave with an object and a place. I left my keys at home. I left my phone in the car. I left my bag at school. So here is the golden rule. Forget means you did not remember. Leave means you know where it is. Let's test you. Which sentence is better? A. I forgot my phone at home. B. I left my phone at home. If you know your phone is at home, the better sentence is, I left my phone at home. But if you simply did not remember to bring it, you can say, I forgot my phone. So, do not translate word for word. Think about the meaning. Did I fail to remember? Use forget. Do I know where I left it? Use leave. Forget means memory. Leave means location. Now you know the difference between forget and leave. If this lesson helped you, subscribe for more simple British English lessons every day.